Hey, this is Paige from Mosaic Moments, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the corner cutout squares. Here I'm using the medium-sized square to cut this photo. So before you roll it through, you want to pay close attention to where the cutout part is going to crop. For this particular photo, I made sure that the cutout part was on the bottom right corner so it will work with my design on the grid paper. I'm going to show you real quick how the corner cutout pieces will lay. So I'm putting this really large 4x6 piece here, and you'll see there's these two corners on each edge to fill. This is the second photo I will be cropping. This is going to lay on the right side of my large piece I showed you before. And you can see that I placed the die so the cutout part is on the bottom left. I don't want to end up with a sideways butterfly on my page, so you want to pay close attention to how your photo will cut. Now, of course, you just have to glue your pieces and they fit right on the grid, which is wonderful. There's also, this die set also comes with layering pieces if you want to layer them, but I decided not to do that this time. And you can see because of the notches are in the cuts, you can fit them with the large piece, and it's great. I love this die. So I'm just gonna show a really fun technique you can do. Right now I'm gonna trim down my photo a little bit just so it can fit in the machine better. But you can see how this is the smallest die that comes in the cutout set, and I'm placing it in the corner, and you'll see what I'm gonna do in my second cut. So I'm gonna roll it through and have my first cut. And now I'm gonna do it again, except put the corner as close as I can to the bottom corner of my last cut. I'm gonna put it in the opposite directions. I'm showing it here, and roll it through again. It's gonna make a really neat mosaic look. Here I'm just going to rush through a second time just so you can see again. I'm rolling it through one way and then putting it in the opposite direction. I'm rolling through again, and it's important to put it in at an angle. Now, just going to glue the piece, and it fits right on the grid. And then I'm going to make I'm going to glue down my bottom piece. And you'll see in a moment that it makes this really neat little design. And I only put it in this small area, but you could have it go across the whole page if you wanted to. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And here is the completed page. What I like about the cutout corners is you can make room for more. Hey, thanks for watching, and see more on mosaicmoments.com.